Houston Integrity, splashdown, sending post-landing command now.
Splashdown confirmed.
Copy splashdown, waiting on VLDR.
Splashdown confirmed at 7:07 p.m. Central Time, 5:07 p.m. Pacific Time. From the pages of Jules Verne to a modern-day mission to the moon, a new chapter of the exploration of our celestial neighbor is complete. Integrity's astronauts back on Earth. Time to splash down 13 minutes, 10 seconds. And there go the first series of parachutes, and we're on drogues.
And Houston, we're visual 2 drogues out the window.
Main chute deploy. We're at 5,000 feet.